Hello students, my name is Mr. Hancock and welcome to Credit Recovery Geography. So this class is broken down to a block, so you don't have a ton of time to do things, but what I want to do is go over the basic elements of what you need to do. Posted in the announcements, I haven't posted it yet, but I will. If you will get a link that will show my geography platform. This is just a website that I made here, and it'll take you to here. I will have the video put out and videos for each lesson. So I have the PowerPoints that you can see here. Then it also just kind of lets you know what you need to do. Once you get down to the end of a unit, in the regular geography class you would have a project, but you will just have a test that will be at the end of each unit. So there's 5 different units. We have like Introduction to Geography, North America, Central America, South America, and Europe. So those are going to be what's going to be covered in the class. So as you come up here, I'll have everything linked together. I don't have everything in right now, but this video is going to be the first thing that you see. And you will have the plan, which will come right here, and this will show you what's due and when everything's going on. So the first day, wherever you're at, the 21st or the first day of the block, I'll have all of those in and listed for you, so you have you know when you need to get things done by. Now the content is where everything's going to be done through. Now as I said before, on the website I have an outline of everything, but this is where you're going to find a lot of the content. So you can go over the overview, stuff where you need me to find me. Actually, let me go over that right now. Okay, if you go to teacher contact information, let me just share with you how you can get a hold of me. A couple things, you can email me, you can call or text me on that phone number. Another feature that I have is you can book like a one-on-one session with me. So if you're having trouble going over something, you just click on this link, okay? It goes to what's called a You Can Book Me account, and then you can book a time with me. So it has the times that I am available, and you just click on one of those, put in your information, and I will see you most likely in my live lesson room, or we can talk over the phone, whatever you feel more comfortable doing. So that's that right there. As we go back into content, it is really simple here. So let's click on Unit 1. First thing you're going to do at the beginning of each one is you're going to watch Geography Lesson 1. Okay, so if I open this in a new tab, as you can see here, I just have the video that's popped up. You're going to watch these. These are anywhere from about 20 to 40 minutes. Okay, so you need to go over these so you get the information, because the information that's on there are on your quizzes. Okay, it's specifically driven to that lesson. Now, let me just click on this one more time here. Each lesson covers two, like 1 point. So for example, lesson 1 covers 1.01 and 1.02. Lesson 2 covers 1.03, 1.04. So at the end of each of these lessons, you can see right here, there's information you need to go over as well. So you'll watch this, go over these little unit overviews, okay, which is where you're reading more about the information, figuring more out about the topics that we're doing. Yep, you got objectives, some checklists, that kind of stuff, and some things you need to think about and go over. Okay. So you'd go over that, you go over 1.02, and then you would take the quiz. And so you just, click on the quiz, push. It's a little bit different on my end because I'm a teacher account, but it'll say take quiz, and you take that quiz, and then you go through it. Okay. So basically what you do is try to follow that pacing guide, or you can go through as fast as you want to get finished with this. But as I said, you only have a block to do this in. So this would be basically Unit 1. You have all 3 quizzes at the end of each lesson, and then you would go to Unit 2, which is on North America, Central America, South America, and then Europe. Okay, so that is just a basic overview of what needs to be done for the credit recovery. As I said once before, if you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to contact me. You can book that one-on-one meeting with me, give me a call, shoot me a text, email, anything like that. So thank you for your time, and hope you'll work your way through the class.